Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn conjoining and embedding in linguistics with understandable examples. But, if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's first learn conjoining. Conjoining is the process of joining two independent clauses to form a compound sentence. Independent clauses are sentences that can stand on their own. Simply, you can say when two independent clauses are connected by the help of coordinate conjunctions then, it is called conjoining. You need to remember that two clauses are connected with the help of coordinate conjunctions. As you know coordinate conjunctions but if you don't know, so, don't worry just look at this chart on the screen. These are coordinate conjunctions. Just look at these examples. The cat sat on the mat, the dog barked at the cat. These are two independent clauses. They can be combined using a coordinating conjunction to form a compound sentence. Like, the cat sat on the mat, and the dog barked at the cat. You can see, both independent clauses are combined with the help of coordinate conjunction, and, so this is called conjoining in linguistics. He took tea, but I preferred cold drinks. Again, two independent clauses are joined with the help of coordinate conjunction, but, because of this conjunction, a compound sentence is created. So, this is another example of conjoining. While on the other hand, embedding can be defined as: embedding is the process of placing one clause inside another clause. The clause inside the other clause is called a subordinate clause. Simply, it means that when we don't join one clause with another clause with the help of coordinate conjunction but when we put a clause inside of another clause. So, this process is called embedding in linguistics. Just look at these examples. The cat that sat on the mat is my new pet. Look at the group of words, in this sentence, that sat on the mat, is actually a subordinate clause, and we have put this clause inside of this independent clause. Basically, this group of words is called subordinate clause because it cannot stand by itself. So, this process is called embedding in linguistics. The woman who lives next door is a doctor. Again, the group of words, who lives next door, is subordinate clause and it is put inside of independent clause. So, that is why it is called embedding in linguistics. Basically, in embedding two clauses are also involved but they are not connected with the help of coordinate conjunctions, rather they are embedded inside the sentence. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.